Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सभी? Welcome to the channel. So today we are going to continue our series of current affairs synopsis, जिसमें कि हम 1700 plus current affairs MCQ कवर करने वाले हैं past 1 year के. Now इसके पहले 5 videos have already been uploaded on the channel. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो आप प्लेलिस्ट के सेक्शन में जाके करंट अफेयर्स 1700 MCQs के नाम से प्लेलिस्ट है, वहां जाके आप सारी वीडियोस को देख सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 409 तक हमने प्रीवियस की सारी 5 वीडियोस में कवर कर लिया था. आज की इस वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू कवर फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 410. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम. नाउ कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इंडियाज ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट्स. द चेनाब ब्रिज was inaugurated as the world's highest railway arch bridge. This is the first statement, जो कि absolutely correct है. Now, India's first cable stayed rail bridge, Anji Bridge, is located in the Riyasi district. Now, ये Anji Bridge है. This is the same bridge that has been built on the Chenab River. So, हमारा second statement भी यहाँ पे सही है. Next is the first Vande Bharat Express connecting the Kashmir Valley was flagged off between Katra and Srinagar. So, यहाँ पे तीनों statement correct है. नाउ एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपको यहाँ पे पता होनी चाहिए वो ये है कि रेलवेज का सबसे लेटेस्ट जो जोन है वो जम्मू डिवीजन बना है. नाउ जम्मू प्रीवियसली वाज अंडर द फिरोजपुर डिवीजन. नाउ 70th रेलवे डिवीजन हमारा भी रिसेंटली जम्मू बन चुका है. ठीक है, सो ये फैक्ट आपको ध्यान में रखना है. नेक्स्ट इज consider the following statement about the environmental recognitions and initiatives. Next is Flipkart was granted an NBFC license by the RBI. ये important question है. ठीक है. Next है Tamil Nadu has declared Dhanushkoti as a Greater Flamingo Sanctuary. This again is an important question. Next is Kerala launched the afforestation project Vidhut, that is seed rain. तीनों स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर ऑल ऑफ द अबव होगा. सारे स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्टली मेंशन्ड है. now ये तीनों इनिशिएटिव ये वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे को अनाउंस हुए थे, विच इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन June 5th एवरी ईयर. नेक्स्ट है कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन एंड अपॉइंटमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट इज इंडिया वॉज इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट of the International Institute of Administrative Sciences. This is a very important question. ठीक है. Next is India signed a polar research vessel agreement with Norway. ठीक है, ये भी absolutely correct है. Polar research vessel agreement with Norway sign किया है. And another important MOU that India has signed is with South Africa. ठीक है, साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ भी इंडिया ने MOU साइन किया है regarding the submarines. Okay, so this additional point you also need to know. Next is Lee Jae-myung was elected president of South Korea. So ये third statement भी हमारा correct है. All of the given statement are absolutely correct. आपको मुझे comment section में बताना है कि recently elected prime minister of Japan is who? She has become the first woman prime minister of Japan. तो आपको मुझे बताना है वो कौन है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 413. Consider the following statements about the sports and recognitions. Now, Magnus Carlsen won the Norway Chess 2025 title for the 7th time. Next is India won a bronze at the IIHF Women's Ice Hockey Asian Game in UAE. And D. Gukesh finished second in the Norway Chess. So, यहाँ पे first and second statement ही हमारा true है. Okay. Third is wrong because D. Gukesh finished third here. Okay. Now FIDE चैंपियनशिप की अगर मैं बात करूं 2024 की, तो FIDE चैंपियन हमारे D. Gukesh बने थे by defeating Din Liring of China. ठीक है, that is why this name is important. Okay. Next देखते हैं. Consider the following statements about the digital governance and innovation. Next is Rohini Gram Panchayat in Maharashtra has won the gold at the National E-Governance Award of 2025. So, ये statement हमारा absolutely correct है and this is an important one as well. Next है the Umeed portal was launched for the Waqf property management. Now ये जो Umeed portal है ये Waqf property को manage करने के लिए launch किया गया है and it has been लॉन्च बाय द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ माइनॉरिटीज एंड माइनॉरिटी के मिनिस्टर कौन है अभी, ये है किरण रिजिजू। ओके, किरण रिजिजू ने ये पोर्टल को लॉन्च किया है। सो उम्मीद पोर्टल के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए। दिस इज अ प्रीटी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। नाउ सी केयर्स पोर्टल वाज लॉन्च फॉर द कोल सेक्टर एम्प्लॉइज, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। तीनों स्टेटमेंट हमारे यहाँ पे करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द इकोनॉमिक एंड फाइनेंशियल अपडेट्स। Now the RBI cut the repo rate by 50 basis point to 5.5. Now अभी के लिए repo rate आपके लिए important नहीं है। The important thing is repo rate क्या होता है, ठीक है। So it is the rate at which RBI lends short term money to the commercial bank. Okay. Now extreme poverty in India dropped to 5.3% in 2022-23 and the Flipkart was granted a banking license by RBI. So this statement is wrong. Now Flipkart has become the first e-commerce company जिसे कि नॉन बैंकिंग NBFC का यहाँ पे लाइसेंस मिला है, नॉट द बैंकिंग लाइसेंस, ठीक है। Flipkart has received the NBFC लाइसेंस। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Consider the following statement about the cultural and the literary developments. Now Daji Pansare, a renowned literary critic, passed away recently in Thane. So this is correct. The theme for the World Food Safety Day of 2025 was Food Safety, the Science of Implementation. Absolutely correct. And the Tendulkar-Anderson Trophy replaced the Pataudi Trophy for the India-England Test Series. Now, just like Ashes is a series that is between Australia and England, ऐसे ही गावस्कर ब्रैडमैन ट्रॉफी इज बिटवीन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड इंडिया, एंड इन द सेम वे पतौडी ट्रॉफी हैपन बिटवीन इंडिया एंड इंग्लैंड क्रिकेट टीम्स। ओके, ना ये पतौडी ट्रॉफी का नाम चेंज करके तेंदुलकर एंडरसन ट्रॉफी रख दिया गया है। सो ये पॉइंट आपको पता होना चाहिए। सो यहाँ पे तीनों स्टेटमेंट हमारे करेक्ट हैं। नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड अवार्ड। Now, Mrityunjay Mohapatra received the UN Sasakawa Award for Disaster Risk Reduction. Absolutely correct and important question है ये, ठीक है। And he is the DG of the Indian Meteorological Department that was established in the year 1875 and जो इसका headquarter है that is located in New Delhi. Okay. Next is India hosted the World Environment Day of 2025. Absolutely correct. And South Korea hosted the World Environment Day of 2025. Okay. Now, second statement I'm sorry is wrong. The third statement is true. South Korea ने host किया था इस event को, ना कि इंडिया ने। Next is consider the following statement about the administrative and policy reforms. The 16th census of India will begin on 1st March 2027. Absolutely correct. Ashwini Lohani was appointed as the director of the PMML and the cashew-based liquor Feni from Goa received a GI tag. So यहाँ पे all of the given statement here are absolutely correct. आपको तीनों statement पता होने चाहिए, तीन नहीं तो कम से कम एटलीस्ट ये दो statement तो आपको पता होने चाहिए। Next देखते हैं। Consider the following statement about the state level initiatives. State government के initiatives के बारे में अब हमें यहाँ पे बताना है। The Assam government launched the Mukhyamantri Jeevan Prerna Yojana and Swagat Tirth portal. Second is Kerala developed a molecular test kit for the brain-eating amoeba. This is an important statement and important question. Okay. Third है Tamil Nadu launched the Vidut afforestation project. So absolutely सारे statement यहाँ पे correct हैं। द विद्युत एफॉरेस्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट तमिलनाडु ने लॉन्च किया है। ध्यान रखना आप, कई बार क्वेश्चन में हो सकता है केरला भी हो, सो उसको आपको रॉन्ग मार्क करना है। नाउ व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ इंडियाज नेक्स्ट जनरेशन 2-seater इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेनर एयरक्राफ्ट? दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। करेक्ट आंसर इज ई हंसा। नेक्स्ट इज who became the youngest Indian mountaineer to climb the highest peak of all 7 continents? This is important question. Correct answer की मैं बात करूं, so Vishwanath Karthikeya Padmanti has became the youngest Indian mountaineer to climb the highest peak of all 7 continents. Where did the DRDO inaugurate India's most advanced quantum technology research center? So ये inaugurate हुआ है न्यू दिल्ली में. Who was appointed ambassador for the Karnataka Forest Department and Wildlife Conservation? Anil Kumble, who is also the former Indian cricketer. ठीक है, he has been appointed. Next is, who became the first cricketer to score 9,000 T20 runs for a single franchise? This is Virat Kohli for RCB. Who became the first musician of Indian origin to win an American Music Award? This is Raja Kumari. Okay, she is a rapper. Next is, which two companies received the RBI's in principle approval to operate as cross-border payment aggregators? This is an important question. Correct answer की मैं बात करूं तो PayPal and Worldline. Now, which city was awarded hosting rights for the Asian Weightlifting Championship of 2026? So ये अहमदाबाद में ऑर्गेनाइज होने वाला है. Now, which tennis legend received the Princess of the Asturias Award 2025 for advocating for equality? This is none other than Serena Williams. Important question है, ये पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. Which northeastern capital became the fourth to join the National Railway Network? This is as well. Recently, 19th Rajdhani Express train of the Indian Railway has also been launched on this route only, which runs from the Anand Vihar to Sairang. And ये जो सायरंग है ना, ये हमारा मेघालय मिजोरम में ही है. Okay, so as well as became the fourth northeastern capital to join the Indian Railways network. Next in the line is, what is the horsepower of the electric engine launched by the PM Modi in Dahod, Gujarat? So the name is D9. Okay, D stands for Dahod, 9 stands for 9,000 horsepower. Okay, C is the right answer here. Who was appointed brand ambassador for Dettol's Icy Cool personal care range? So this is MS Dhoni. Not an important question, but still I have mentioned it. Next is, which Indian airport ranked among the top 10 hub airports in Asia Pacific and Middle East in the ACI? Now this is the Delhi IGI Airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Which country launched Tianwen 2 to collect the asteroid samples? So as the name suggests, ये हमारा चाइना ने ही लॉन्च किया है. Next is, how many defense public sector undertakings were granted the Mini Ratna status category 1 status on May 29th? So यहाँ पे 3 defense public sector undertaking को यहाँ पे अनाउंस किया गया था as the Mini Ratna category 1. These are the MIL, AVNL and IUL. Next is, which Indian Navy vessel completed an 8-month circumnavigation of the globe? This is INSV Tarini. What is the name of the portal launched to attract the Ayush sector investors? This is आयुष निवेश सारथी. अब इन्वेस्टमेंट को अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है तो निवेश यहाँ पे आ गया. तो यहाँ से भी आप ध्यान में रख सकते हैं कि दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द पोर्टल. What is the name of the digital address grid launched by the Indian Post? This is Dhruva, and this is an important question. ठीक है, Dhruva is the name of the digital address grid that has been launched by the Indian Post. Next देखते हैं. Next है हमारा, which state declared itself fourth fully literate state in India on its 39th statehood day? This is Himachal Pradesh. ठीक है, फोर्थ सॉरी फिफ्थ हमारा हिमाचल है. गोवा ने अपने आप को डिक्लेयर किया था अभी. Who won the Miss World 2025 title held in Hyderabad? So Uppal Suchata Chuangsri, she hails from Thailand. इन्होंने मिस वर्ल्ड 2025 का यहाँ पे खिताब जीता है. नेक्स्ट इज, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द इंडियाज ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट्स. India launched its most powered 9,000 horsepower electric engine in Dahod, Gujarat. Second statement is, the Dhruva portal was launched to establish a digital address system. Absolutely correct. And INSV Tarini completed an 8-month circumnavigation of the globe. तीनों statement यहाँ पे absolutely correct हैं. All of the above would be the correct answer. Next is, consider the following statement about the international honors and recognitions. Serena Williams received the Princess of the Asturias Award for Equality advocacy. Absolutely correct, and this is an important question. Raja Kumari became the first Indian origin musician to win an American Music Award. This is also correct. Now Sonu Sood won the Miss World 2025 title. Now this is incorrect. Now Sonu Sood has won an award for the humanitarian help that he did during the COVID, but this Miss World title 2025 was won by Opal Chuansiri. Okay? Third is wrong. First and second is true. Question number 442. Consider the following statement about India's scientific and technological progress. Now, DRDO inaugurated the Quantum Technology Research Center in Hyderabad. This is the first statement. Now, next is China launched the Tianwen-2 to collect the asteroid samples. Now, you have to remember this. This is important. Next is Ayush Nivesh Sarthi portal was launched to attract the investment in traditional medicines. Okay. Now, जो DRDO का quantum hub था, it was inaugurated in New Delhi. It was launched in New Delhi and not Hyderabad. So, first हमारा यहाँ पे incorrect है. Only the second and third statement here are absolutely correct. So, ये हमारा incorrect हो जाएगा. Next देखते हैं. Consider the following statement about the sports achievements. First is Virat Kohli became the first cricketer to score 9,000 T20 runs for a single franchise. Absolutely correct. RCB के लिए he has achieved this feast. Rohit Sharma became the first Indian to hit 300 IPL sixes, and Glenn Maxwell announced the retirement from Test cricket. Now, the third statement is wrong. First and second is correct. ज़्यादा important question नहीं है, so you don't need to worry about these types of questions. Question number 444. Consider the following statements about the environmental and conservation efforts. Telangana designated Kumaram Bhim Conservation Reserve to protect the tiger corridors. Now the Karnataka raised the tobacco purchase age to 21. First and second correct हैं. Kerala declared itself as the fourth fully literate state in India. So the statement is wrong. गोवा ने अपने आप को डिक्लेयर किया है फोर्थ फुली लिटरेट स्टेट. सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ही हमारे यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन एंड डिप्लोमेसी. इंडिया साइंड अ पोलर रिसर्च वेसल एग्रीमेंट विथ नॉर्वे. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट है. निकरागुआ बिकेम द 101st WTO member to accept the fisheries subsidies agreement. Now this is indeed important. Okay. Next is Elon Musk launched a messaging platform called XChat. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट की मैं बात करूं तो यहाँ पे सारे स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द गवर्नेंस एंड अपॉइंटमेंट्स. आशीष पांडे was appointed as the CMD of the Union Bank of India. This is correct. Kalyan Kumar was appointed as the CMD of the Central Bank of India. Absolutely correct. And Sailesh Mehta was appointed as the chairman of SEBI. Now this is wrong, as he was appointed as the chairman of Fertilizer Association of India and not SEBI. SEBI के जो चेयरमैन है वो हैं तुहीन कांत पांडे. ठीक है. तुहीन कांत पांडे is the chairman of SEBI. So that is why only the first and second statement here is correct. Next is consider the following statement about the cultural and historical commemorations. May 28 is observed as the Menstrual Hygiene Day. 31st May marked the 300th birth anniversary of Ahilya Bai Holkar, and May 29 is celebrated as the International Everest Day. So these are some of the important days of the May month. Correct answer की मैं बात करूँ, so जितने भी statement हैं, all of the statement that were given are absolutely correct. Now consider the following statement about the economic and financial reforms. Canara Bank waived minimum balance penalties for all savings account. RBI granted the NBFC license to Flipkart. Absolutely correct. ADB announced a 10 billion investment in India's urban transformation. So तीनों statement जो दिए हमारे absolutely correct हैं. Next is consider the following statement about the international leadership and elections. Karol Nawrocki was elected as the president of Poland. Annalena Baerbock was elected as the president of the 80th United Nations General Assembly की meeting. So absolutely correct है. Henrik Claassen was elected as the president of South Africa. Third statement is wrong. First and second true है. Henrik Claassen is indeed a cricketer of South Africa. He is not the president. Now, which Padma Vibhushan awarded astronomer passed away in Pune on May 20th? This is Jayant Nadilkar. Next है. Which anniversary of World Meteorology Day was celebrated on May 20th? This was the 150th. So because ये 150th anniversary थी, that is why this becomes very much important. Okay, so हमारा C यहाँ पे correct होगा. Next है, which country hosted the 24th IURA Councils of meeting on May 21st? So Indian Ocean Rim Association की जो मिनिस्टर्स की मीटिंग है वो श्रीलंका में होस्ट हुई थी. What is the name of India's first AI-powered needle-free blood testing device launched in Hyderabad? And this is a very important question. Correct answer है अमृत स्वस्थ भारत. Next देखते हैं. Which green finance institution received an excellent rating from the Department of Public Enterprises? This is the IDATA. Which banned chemical did FSSAI target in its fruit ripening campaign starting on May 21st? This is calcium carbide. So this particular calcium carbide is used for the artificial ripening of mangoes. What is the name of the space-enabled missile defense system unveiled by US President Donald Trump? So this is the Golden Dome system. Iron Dome system है, ये इजराइल का है. Okay. Next देखते हैं. What is the name of the 5th century stitched ship commissioned by the Indian Navy at the Karwar? So this is the INSV Kaudinya. Next है, who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize of 2025? This is Banu Mushtaq. ठीक है, इनकी बुक है हर्ट लैम. ठीक है, हिंदी में हृदय दीप. What is the total population of Asiatic lions in Gujarat according to the 16th lion census? So 891 is the total population of Asiatic lions. Where will OpenAI build the world's largest data center campus? ये अबू धाबी में ये बनाने वाले हैं. What is the name of the pension calculator launched by the central government? So this is the Unified Pension Scheme Calculator, UPS calculator. Next देखते हैं. Next है हमारा, who became Pakistan's second army chief to achieve the title of the Field Marshal? This is Field Marshal Asim Munir. Next is, which country handed over the sovereignty of Chagos archipelago to Mauritius? So UK के अंडर था पहले ये चैगोस आइलैंड्स. इन्होंने सोवरेनिटी अभी हैंड ओवर की है रिसेंटली मॉरिशस को. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द एआई लिटरेसी मिशन लॉन्च बाय द नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ वुमेन इन बरेली? दिस इज द यशोदा एआई. ठीक है. एक शी बॉक्स कैंपेन भी है, शी बॉक्स पोर्टल है. दिस पोर्टल वाज लॉन्च बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एंड वुमेन डेवलपमेंट. ओके. Yashoda AI, this has been launched by the National Commission for Women. Which cricketer's wife authored the autobiography The Diary of a Cricketer's Wife by Chiteshwar Pujara? His wife launched this, जिनका नाम है पूजा पुजारा. Okay. Next है, which temple in Assam was declared as an ideal temple for turtle conservation? This is the Nag Shankar temple. Next देखते हैं. Next है हमारा, which disease was declared a global public health priority by WHO for the first time? So the skin disease को declare किया गया था. So this is important. Which Indian city was ranked among the top 12 global tech powerhouse cities? Bengaluru, of course. Where will India's first AI-centric special economic zone be built? So this is in Nawa Raipur in Chhattisgarh. Again, statement based question हमारे. Consider the following statements about India's scientific and technological developments. Now DRDO inaugurated the Quantum Technology Research Center in New Delhi. Absolutely correct. India's first AI-centric special economic zone will be built in Neva, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Absolutely correct. OpenAI announced plans to build the world's largest data center campus in Bengaluru. Not in Bengaluru, but Abu Dhabi. So third statement eliminate हो जाएगा. First and second would be right. Question number 471. Consider the following statements about the international diplomacy and defense. UK handed over the Chagos archipelago to Mauritius. Correct है. Asim Munir became the Pakistan's second field marshal after Ayub Khan. Absolutely correct. And Saudi Arabia launched the Golden Dome missile defense system. So this is wrong. अभी मैंने बताया था USA ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है. So first and second ही हमारा correct है. Third is not right. Now consider the following statements about the environmental and biodiversity initiatives. Now first है Nag Shankar temple in Assam was declared an ideal temple for the turtle conservation. Correct है. The theme for the International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 was harmony with nature and sustainable development. This is also correct. And Kerala launched the Kumaram Bheem Conservation Reserve to protect tiger corridors. Third statement हमारा wrong है because Kumaram Bheem Tiger Conservation, this is a project of the Telangana government, not Kerala. Okay, 1 and 2 हमारा correct है यहाँ पे. Next देखते हैं. Question number 473. Consider the following statement about the awards and recognitions. Now, Jayant Narelkar was posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025. Correct है. Sadhguru received the Global Indian Award 2025 from the Canada India Foundation. Banu Mushtaq won the International Booker Prize for her Kannada short story collection that was Heart Lamp. ठीक है. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट की बात करूं तो यहाँ पे सेकंड एंड थर्ड फर्स्ट रॉन्ग है. फर्स्ट क्यों रॉन्ग है भाई? तो पोस्टमसली अवार्ड नहीं किया गया था, इनको पहले ही अवार्ड किया गया था. ठीक है, जब ही वॉज अलाइव देन ओनली ही वॉज अवार्डेड. पोस्टमसली मतलब मरने के बाद या मरणोपरांत नहीं दिया गया. तो दैट इज वाई द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. सो यहाँ से पता चलता है कि वी नीड टू रीड द स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. ठीक है. Next, consider the following statements about the economic and financial updates. Now, India surpassed Japan to become the world's fourth largest economy. Correct है. Fitch Rating raised India's GDP growth forecast to 6.4% and the EPF interest rate for financial year 24-25 is set at 8.5%. So, third not right और ये important भी नहीं है आपके लिए, ये ध्यान रखना. First and second is true. ना ये पहला स्टेटमेंट है ना, यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट ये है आपके लिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द कल्चरल एंड लिटरेरी इवेंट्स. द 75th शिरुई लिली फेस्टिवल वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड इन मणिपुर. करेक्ट है ये. नेक्स्ट है हमारा द ऑटोबायोग्राफी द डायरी ऑफ अ क्रिकेटर्स वाइफ वॉज रिटन बाय चितेश्वर पुजारा. नो, it was written by Pooja Pujara and she is the wife of Chiteshwar Pujara, and this is important. This book is important. Okay. Now, Ahilya Bai Holkar's 300th birth anniversary was celebrated on May 31st, 2025. Absolutely correct. Second statement eliminate कर देंगे. This is not true. A will be the right answer. Next is consider the following statement about the sports milestones. Joe Root broke Jack Callis record for fastest 13,000 runs. Novak Djokovic won his 100th ATP title at the Geneva Open, and Shubman Gill was appointed as India's 37th captain. So, सारे के सारे statement, all of the given statements were absolutely correct. Now consider the following statement about branding and endorsement. Now, Tamanna Bhatia was appointed as the brand ambassador for Mysore Sandals Group. Correct. India, Neeraj Chopra became the face of Audi India. Correct. And Shubman Gill was appointed as a brand ambassador for Oakley sunglasses. Correct. सारे के सारे statement यहाँ पे absolutely correct है. Next is consider the following statement about government initiatives and campaigns. Now the first is CBSE directed the schools to set up the sugar board to educate the students. ये एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है हमारा। नेक्स्ट है NCW, दैट इज नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन, लॉन्च द यशोदा AI मिशन टू प्रमोट डिजिटल लिटरेसी अमंग वुमेन्स। एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। एंड आपको पता होना चाहिए NCW, दैट इज नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन, इज नॉट अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी। ठीक है, इट इज नॉट अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी। The Ministry of Education has launched the TOFEI campaign for tobacco-free schools. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट मेरे हिसाब से गलत है क्योंकि ये FSSAI ने लॉन्च किया था। नो, करेक्ट है। ठीक है, ये भी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, ध्यान रखना कभी कभी मेरे से भी स्लिप हो जाता है। सो तीनों स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द इंडस्ट्रियल एंड स्टार्टअप डेवलपमेंट्स। Tata and Airbus announced India's first private H125 helicopter assembly plant in Kolar. Drools became a unicorn pet food startup based in Bengaluru. This is an important question. Next is Naib Limited received 17.52 million defense order from Israel. So यहाँ पे सारे के सारे स्टेटमेंट एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट हैं। Now on May 17th, IIT Bombay announced its first international campus in Japan in partnership with which university? This is the Tohoku University. Next is, which state became the first in India to offer jungle safari via Vistadome trains? This is Uttarakhand. And it runs from Katarni Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary to Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. Next, which observatory's 125th anniversary was commemorated with a postage stamp on May 17th? This is the Kodaikanal Solar Observatory in Tamil Nadu. Next is, who won the gold in the Miss World 2025 Sports Challenge held in Hyderabad? Alice Grandma. She is also Miss Estonia. Next is, which renowned science communicator passed away on May? This is Saroj Ghosh. How many members were in the India's all-party delegation formed after the Operation Sindoor? So 7-party delegation was there. Which countries were boycotted by Indian business leaders? So Turkey and Azerbaijan. इन दोनों कंट्री को बाइकआउट क्यों किया गया था? क्योंकि आफ्टर द पहलगाम ट्रैजिक अटैक्स, ठीक है, these Turkey and Azerbaijan, they supported the पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट, सो दैट इज वाई इनको बॉयकॉट किया गया था। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, व्हाट वाज द थीम फॉर द वर्ल्ड्स हाइपरटेंशन डे 25? मेजर योर ब्लड प्रेशर एक्यूरेटली, कंट्रोल इट, लिव लॉन्गर। Which state became the first to mandate robotics education for class 10 students? Kerala board. What initiatives was launched to promote women's participation in the maritime sector? This is Sagar Mein Samman, and this is important. And this was launched by the Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. Next is, which peak did NCC cadets successfully scale? So Mount Everest को successfully scale किया था NCC candidates ने. Which city in Tripura saw the foundation stone laid for an integrated aqua park under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana? So this is in Kaila Shahar. Now what denomination of banknote did RBI announce? So 20 rupees banknote announce किया है RBI ने. Who did India defeat to win the SAF Under-19 Championship of 2025? So India ने बांग्लादेश को defeat किया था अभी recently. Now which water heritage museum in Kerala was added to the UNESCO's global network? And this is very important. So this is the Kozhikode Water Heritage Museum. Okay. Next is, which country joined the New Development Bank as its 9th member? So Algeria ने अभी recently join किया था. Next is, what campaign was launched to protect the olive ridley turtles on Odisha coast? This is the Operation Olivia, and it was undertaken by the Indian Coast Guard. Okay. Next देखते हैं, where was India's first Mahot village for elephant keepers established? So this was in Theppakadu, Tamil Nadu. Which state launched the Yoga Andhra Abhiyan on May 20th? So आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने ये इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च किया है. Which disease did India receive WHO certification for eliminating? So trachoma, which is a bacterial disease of eyes, which is a bacterial infection of eyes. So trachoma को eliminate किया है successfully इंडिया ने. Now इस लेक्चर को यहीं तक रहने देते हैं, ठीक है. 35 मिनट्स का ये लेक्चर है now, and कल से we will start from the 500th question. So अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है, डू गिव दिस वीडियो अ लाइक, कमेंट करके बताना वीडियो कैसी लगी, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए इस पूरे लेक्चर्स की 1700 प्लस क्वेश्चंस की, so you can see the pinned comments section. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Keep studying.